Ta-da! Can you see my tree? Today I want to take you around my garden so that you see how my garden looks like. Last year actually I also planted some apple tree because I actually love apple, and I'm that person who have always been telling people to plant what you can eat. So I wanted my backyard to actually have a lot of fruit that I love to eat, and here is my apple tree that I planted last year, and I'm looking forward to have some blossom and some fruit that I can eat from this tree this year. So what I will do is that I will just hold on. Whenever the blooms are out, I will be able to show you. So from now, I have blooms on my cherry tree. I also have fruits on my fig tree that actually doesn't look green. It's still like brown twigs, but they have fruits. And I also have this apple tree. This year I will be adding two more fruits in my garden. Normally it's the 10th of April that I do plant fruits in my garden, and in the 10th of April you will see me actually planting two new trees into my garden. Thank you. Ting ting. Can you see that? Ting ting. This is actually the tree. You can see the way my garden look like. But you have this my cherry. You can see how big it is. It's just the 10th of April will make this tree 1 year. And last time I actually make a video showing you this my tree, thinking that it will not bear some fruit. Because I've never planted a tree and it doesn't bear fruit the next year. Within 1 year, I should start seeing some fruit on all the trees I've ever planted. So it was funny for me when I was waiting for the cherry, because this is my first cherry tree I planted. But then I wasn't see the blooms. But see, I even made a video, my last video, I was really not knowing if the blooms would come. But look at it, cha-cha! The blooms are here. The blooms are here. I just want to encourage everybody who is planting that, please make sure you plant a tree behind your backyard, or you plant some fruit in your balcony, because it doesn't fail. This is actually a tree that was planted just 10th of April 2024, and it's not even up to 10th April 2025, and we'll have fruit this year. See, we'll have some fruit this year. So this is how my garden look like. My garden is like a typical African garden. We don't do all, because it's organic, so I don't bother myself cleaning it, making it neat and tidy, because garden are not supposed to be like that. They're supposed to be like a farmyard. Yeah, so this is it. This is my garden, purely organic, and everything is growing well according to plan. You can see the way it is. So the blossom are here and we are waiting for the fruit. We are really waiting for the fruit. I think this one will turn into, yeah, this another fruit coming. I'm really hoping to see how many fruit I'll be able to get from this 1 year old cherry tree that I plant. Please plant your fruit, plant, and make sure you can eat from your own backyard. It is really tall, but I love it like this because I grew up actually climbing trees in Africa, in Cameroon. And I really wanted a tree that could bring back my childhood to me. That's why when I was buying this species, I wanted to get a tall cherry tree so that I can climb and eat the fruit that I love from the comfort of my backyard. And finally, I really have it. I'm really happy with the result. In just 1 year, you can see all the things that have been trained under eggshell. Banana, let me go closer so that you see the banana peelings. This is how I do. I just throw banana peelings like this. I don't do any crushing or anything. Nature will do that for me. You see, that's carrot peelings. Which one is this? Potato, eggshell. You can see onion peeling. Everything I put it here because nature will decompose them naturally. I don't do any decomposition myself or compost or this. Everything is thrown here and nature does it on its own. So that's how it is. I hope you can appreciate and actually see that I'm having some blossoms and more fruit are still coming. More fruit are still coming. I'll be right here to see and document whatever thing happened on this fruit. Thank you. Please kindly like, follow, comment, share your own opinion so that we can learn from each other. My next tree, I hope you're actually seeing me. This is my next tree. It really looks like a twig. If you look it from afar, it looks like a twig. But behold, there are more than 50 fruit on this tree. One thing with fig is that the first thing that come out on a fig are the fruits. The fruits will come out before the leaves. So let me bring the camera closer so that I can actually show you the fruit and show you so that when the leaves come, you will know that for fig tree, you actually get the fruits before the leaves. Can you see that? These are the fruits. There are 4 fruits here. So the fruits, they will pop up first. You see, the fruits are popping out. The fruits are popping out. The fruits are popping out. You see, everywhere you will see fruits coming out. Fruits come out before the leaves. This is the problem with fig. You see, the fruits, it looks like a twig, but all of them have fruit on it. Can you see this one? Can you see them? You see, all of this, they are fruits. The fruit will come out all before the leaves come out. So, all of this, anything that's popping here now, they are fruits. You see, everywhere there are fruits. You see? So the first thing you see, can you see the little bulbs? They are all fruits. You see the fruits will come out. So when you look from afar, you don't see it. But when you come closer, you see the fruits will come out before the leaves. It's always like that. So you see that those are the fruits coming out on the fig tree. Fig tree is one of the trees that doesn't actually blossom. It doesn't blossom. When the sun come out, you see just the fruits coming out of the tree. See, there are so many fruits here, so many of them. But when you look from afar, you won't be able to see it. So this is my fig, and there are lots and lots. All these twigs like this have fruits on it. So this is the second tree I have in my garden, and all of them, they have fruits now. You see, I have fruits everywhere. There are fruits everywhere. So this tree is one of the fruit that I planted before. It's actually 4 years because I also planted it 10 of April is the day I plant all my trees so that I can keep track of the exact dates and years. So that's how my fig look like now.